In this video I will show you easy way to reset NuGet Package Manager settings in Visual Studio. This helps to fix issue if your NuGet Package Manager is not working. For this let's delete global NuGet config files. For this navigate to following path. Replace username with your account username. If you do not have app data folder then go to view at the top. Then click on show. Click on hidden items. Now you will get app data folder. Now go and get NuGet config file. Now just rename NuGet.config file to something else. This will remove any custom package sources or credentials you've added. Now let's clear NuGet cache. For this go and open Visual Studio. Then at the top click on Tools. Next click on Options. After that click on NuGet Package Manager. Next click on NuGet Package Settings. After that click on Clear All NuGet Cache button. After that click on OK and then reopen Visual Studio and this will reset your NuGet Package Manager settings. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.